Lisa. Lisa. These are your holes, Lisa. These are your holes, Lisa. You need to do something about your holes, Lisa. Please, Lisa, please. Do something about your holes. Come on, Lisa. It's about time you do something about your holes. Please, Lisa, please. Please. Please, please.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Yeah. Big up on yourself, my people. You don't know the thing, man. Viewers, subscribers, anyone today, no more love, more respect, and more blessings. One team, one dream, one scheme, one attack, one attacking boss. NEWLINK. So, that video clip now, my viewers and subscribers. Boy, may I tell you, when them say Sessa, it's sweeter with Lisa. Well, basically you can hear the bridging in the video, people. Talking and asking and begging Lisa, please, for the piece of road there. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, for anybody, most people nowadays, if you're not from St.Ann, say, between Manig and R0AD, if you are going to take the route, the normal route through Fern Gully and go up, you understand? Well, maybe you're not going to know that road, my people. But this road is a section where they're between a part called Colgate and Walkers in St.Ann now. And to tell you the truth, my people, boy, this road here, it's a shame. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. I don't know, Zin, if it's because they toll up better or what. But still, this is part of the constituency for Southeast St.Ann, Zin, where them say, Sessa, it's sweeter with Lisa. Well, Lisa, that road is not sweet. May I tell you the truth, it's a shame, people. For more than 1 year, more than 2 years, same condition of the road. See? But now I say not try to do local things to it, my people, and patch up and dash small in night and dash big stone in night and do what they want to do. See? They try the methods, mess up, and it's been going on for people. This section of road is really dangerous, you know. Dangerous so much where not even car. You have to look at the way the road dangerous is, people. Everything have to slow down the night. Mister, not even sleeping police make you sleep so with that car, with that vehicle. If it could have been truck, it could have been tractor, anything have to slow down the night, my people. Anything. Even the man who walk foot have to slow down the night, and foot can break in them road. Then it's a shame. And you see when rain fall, Jaja sees, Jaja knows, people. It come like a whole of flat bridge water come down in the section of road. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Me not attack Lisa, you know. Zin, because she is a MP when me rate, she is a MP when me respect. But when me want Lisa for do personally, I mean not go bash her, you know, people. You know what I mean? Because I know that she, her constituency done there now, it's really bigger because them put in some more part where she never have before night and only part thing, and we she had to work in a certain parts and thing, Zin. But on a real level, Lisa that part need work. So if you now get the money from what them call the National Works Agency or from Minister of Transportation or whoever responsible for these road, anybody, any one of them at all, see? We have to do something. The people have to come together then and start chop down them big tree there where they are the roadside, because some big tree there. Get some bigger thinking tone from around there so, and drop them there, including the one them where did it. See? Or do something about it. But it can't go on, some people. It's a shame. And it's so dangerous which we in a state in Jamaica right now where there's a lot of robbery going people. And what now? Thief can't come to bump on them young. You with a car there. You have to slow down and they just come with them guns stick you up anytime of the night. And that's it, Robbie. Gone with all the vehicle and kill it too. It is dangerous. Not said dangerous. for the cars and the vehicle that's been affected, mash up, damage, front end parts gone, car rim mash up, this and that happen, but dangerous for people life also on a real level. Zin? So I'm calling out for the people who are using this road, for our citizens, motorists, everybody. Say, look here, Lisa, anybody at all, this road need to be fixed. Number one, if you don't try asphalt pan it barber green and then walk, you don't do that again. Done with that. I remember Ferngully Road was a road that was affected very badly. Every time them fix it, it mash up. Every time them fix it, barber green, whatever the methods them use it, barber green, it mash up. Until one smart somebody who have little senses comes up and decide to use a different method of using the real Carib cement from Rockfort up there. The real one, not the fake one. And from them do that, people, you know, mash up much years ago and good now. Because them say Ferngully Road naturally is a river bed. See? But when rain fall, it used to just tear down. Now they fix it this week, make one good shower rain come and lift up back everything. But since then comes some and use something different, people, it is totally different. See? In a mash up. So if for that, even cement the road, then dig it up and cement it. Use the strategy that them use in a Ferngully and use it there on the road. Because it's not a good look. It's a shame, shame, shame. There's a lot of motorists still using that road, not because them have the highway we cut from Kingston, we got so joops and gone down this way, you know, back down at Jacksall. I've seen where Jacksall has been developed, where them put all KFC and see them have build much plaza up and stretch down there. So because now with the highway cut down there, so what have to do? Forget about the people who are use that part of the road. No, this can't work. This can't work. That road need to be fixed. See? It need to be fixed. Because there's lots of adjoining communities that still have to use this road for people get to them yard. And you have so much rich people and top people in Jamaica who use this road, yeah. Because them have some big house up there in the hills. Them are not going to call them name, but there's a lot of big people, see, who live in an area surrounding those communities. And them have to use the road. So, as me say, I'm not attacking the MP, Lisa. No, I'm not. See, which the brethren talk before, not attacking, but he knows she's the MP. So, he have to call to the MP. Say, Lisa, please. Please. And I'm asking Lisa, please also. For the people in Amanik, surrounding communities, using the road. Natural people who not come from there, but using the road same way. Because everybody want to use the toll rounds and go there. So. See? Lot of motorists are going to use this road there. Because the same road there can't take us to some place you don't even know any people. All the place, even back to St. Mary, all of them places there. See? Very good road. But that section of the road, seriously, need to be fixed. Me I beg you, Lisa, fix it for the people. Imagine you all walk foot and you drop in there and break it. Imagine, even the bicycle them can't take it. The big old tractor have to slow down. They chop anything at all going there to slow down. Me say not even sleeping police make the vehicle them sleep. So because yo, it's a whole track paper. I've drove through it more than once, twice, more than 3 times, people. And I tell you, it's one of the most cruelest, heartless feeling. It come like you drive through one of the deepest and stemless riverbed in the world. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. This road, man, is a shame. Shame, shame, shame. Shame, shame, shame. And the next thing too, you know, remember there's a cemetery there in the community of workers, see? Where most of the dead them from down that side in R0AD, surrounding communities, even some part of St. Mary like Trails, Charleston and those places coming back down. See? All of them community I use the cemetery up there. And that's the transportation where the hearse. So imagine how much beat up that they get when it in a hearse. I go rock and chuck and cheer and fling up and jack back down, boom, so dead again when if you go get burial. Such a shame, 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 shame. Them say, Cessa, it's sweeter with Lisa. But this a road, this a riverbed, yeah? No, sir, no sweeter with Lisa. Lisa, the brethren a call, please, please, please. The attacking boss himself a call, please, please, please. Do something for the people, man. whatever Ministry of Transport Works Agency, NSW, National Works, whatever them call it, any one of them, the government, the PM, opposition, anybody at all, it's a shame. This road, as I tell you, say, it is between the community of walkers, you understand, and Colgate na St.Ann there, so that are where money there to Ferngully to Otrey, span that stretch or something there. See, not talking the toll. That road seriously needs some keen work, man. It's a shame. Yeah? People being robbed there because they have to slow down and people just pull up with it. Don't move. That's it. You never know. It happen. Lot of things are going on it. Me MP, Sessa, Lisa, councillors, everybody, motorists, please, as me say, the asphalt thing now go work this one. Because I try it already, it no work. The big stone them on the fling and it no work. The mallet them on the fling and it no work. Because them can't take water on the sunshine. See? So the method we have to use is the same method that they use down there in Ferngully. They got the trenches them, so make the water where I go circle lead go to this over them co-past that they over cross this up. Because once the water go circle up there, that's where we're going to dig up back the thing again. Because if they don't make nowhere for the water to go, what will happen that it automatically going to be there, soak underneath and lift up back everything. Common sense. See? So come on. Sessa, uno say it's sweeter with Lisa, but we need the road here to make it sweeter with Lisa. For now, it not sweet. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Some people, big up on the cell, man, they don't know say they're attacking boss, they are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. They don't know say, you know, we is the poor people representative, we is the poor people defender. And not all the poor, but everybody. You see, because one attack, one scheme, one dream. As me say, I'm not attacker, but a truth and a reality. People feel it to them heart. People are bawl about it. People are talk about it. Them are cry about it. A piece of road there. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and through the NEWLINK production official attacking boss. People, peace out, you know. Jaja sees, Jaja knows.